Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today's Tuesday, February 25th. The time is around 5 a.m. GMT. So today we'll be looking at the chart of the Nikkei. This is a 60-minute chart. We could see right here, this is the P. And currently we are doing a C wave of a 4. Alright, so that means this is in the wave 4. And you can see in the subdivision here of the C leg is in a 5 waves. We got this wave 1, wave 2, and now this is ending with 3, and then potentially still making one more push lower to finish in wave 5. Also notice here that we have technically reached the blue box area, which suggests that this is an extreme area, inflection area, and it can end any moment and starts to do at least a larger trace bounce, right? So that's the idea of the blue box, is an inflection area and it can potentially start to correct larger degree. Now if we take a look at the 4-hour partial count here, now I'm placing this 1, 2 in blue and then 3 in blue right here. This is our 1, 2 and then 3, and this is the P in black, which is this P in black right here. So if we take a look at the 4-hour count here, okay, we can see right here that it looks like the decline in Nikkei has been kind of corrective, right? It's kind of corrective, overlapping, and not really an impulse, at least so far, not an impulse. So if this proposed count is correct, this is a flat from this peak from December 2019. Okay, then we can sort of conclude that it still has the potential to extend higher again. Now if this is going to be ending with 4 like what we are proposing here, like this, right, then that suggests that we still could potentially go to new high again at some point after we finish this flat, right, flat correction. Now the problem with the flat, sometimes because the C leg is a 5 waves, it can extend as much as it wants. That's the only problem. Otherwise, if you measure just a simple extension here, ABC, right, we have already reached what you saw in the 1-hour chart earlier in the blue box, which is the inflection area. So assuming it is a simple zigzag at 3 waves, normally this area is going to produce at least a trace bounce. But if it is a flat, the only issue with the flat sometimes is that because it is a 5 waves and because the second sort of leg is a very deep correction, the problem is sometimes the C leg in a flat, it can extend quite deep, and it can even break below the lower end of the blue box, right? So that's the only problem within a flat. Now remember though, even as an alternate, this entire structure here does not necessarily have to be in a flat. It could have been a WXY, a double zigzag, right? Because this one is a zigzag and then you got a correction, then this could be another zigzag, and that's it. This could be a double zigzag right here, and then ended your Y, right? Ended your Y, and then starting to rally again from here. The Nikkei can rally again to new high, or at least, like I said, the inflection area suggests at least correcting this entire decline, correcting this cycle. So at least it can do a bigger trace bounce, if not going to new high. So we got a couple of options here, right? It's not just one path here. What we are proposing again is a flat in which you got a 1, 2, 3, and then potentially have a wave 5 coming. So again, at this stage, as you can see in the 1-hour chart, the waveform may have ended, or maybe with one more leg higher, it doesn't matter. And then after that, we could see another push lower to finish a 5 waves down from here. And then if we can see a clear 5 waves down, and then let's say if you check in the momentum, it has a divergence in the momentum between 3 and 5, then yes, that could signals that the 5 waves, and therefore the flat is about to finish, and then you're about to correct or to rally higher soon from this blue box area. Okay, now alternate, like I mentioned, it could be it is a WXY. If it is a WXY, then we don't need another leg lower, and we can start to push higher and at least correct in 3 waves, correcting this entire decline if this is a WXY. All right, so hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like and subscribe, and we have 14 days free trial. I will provide the link in the description of the video below if you are interested to check our service, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.